Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Volvo XC90 T6 Inscription with crystal white pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 21,000 miles on the odometer, 9-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8524A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.